Go ahead and put your name on this if you kindly would. And make once again a note, you're in Art 2 with exclamation point. Thank you for being in Art 2. And title this for me, Inking Notes. Okay, notation number 1. Okay, what I want you to write down is circle first. Okay, so don't ink your project until I've drawn that circle for you. Okay, next, number 2. You can write down pen and a little colon right there. And let's talk about the ultra fine Sharpie. Okay, now that is this pen right here, the ultrafine Sharpie, which I know you have used before. Okay, let's talk about it briefly. Indent for me, letter A. Now a great thing about this pen is that it is an instant dryer. Okay, it's very difficult to smear that pen unless you have a heavy layer of lead. Okay, so that's a good quality. Alright, now indent, letter B. In terms of its thickness, of the 3 pens we're going to talk about, it's the thickest one. So I want you to write down thick. Okay, so that's information about pen, the first pen, the ultrafine Sharpie. Okay, notation number 3. You can write down the word pen again for me. And this one, the Sharpie pen. Now, that is this pen right here, this one right here that is silver and black. And I gave one of those to you for perspective. And I probably said don't use it on anything but perspective. But in this case, this pen right here is an awesome pen. Okay? So let's talk about that for a moment. So indent for me once again. And it is a fast dryer, not an instant one. So what that means is it can be smeared. You gotta be careful. Okay, indent B. In terms of its thickness, I want you to write down medium. Okay, so it makes a medium type of line. It is a great pen for perspective. It is great for freehand inking as well. Okay, moving on. Number 4. Okay, I want you to write down pen again. Okay, and the name of this one is called the Micron pen. Okay, it is this pen right here. It is a great pen. It is a professional artist pen. Okay, it is awesome. Now, a couple things about this pen. Indent. Okay, once again, it is a fast dryer, not instant, and it can be smeared. Okay, you've got to be careful with it. Okay, also, it makes quite a thin line, and many artists like it because of that quality. Okay, indent again, letter C. And what I like to recommend about this pen is that you use it for small details. Okay, in parentheses, you know, if you're working on some type of female face or some type of small facial detail, it is a great pen to use. It would be better to use that one instead of like the ultrafine Sharpie. Okay, continuing. Number 5. We're on notation number 5. Now I'm hoping you're going to give me this line quality. I'm looking for lines that are smooth. Exclamation point. Lines like the ones you use for The Amazing Spider-Man. Okay, continuing. Notation number 6. I'm looking for this double thick outside. A thicker line that goes just around the outside, and you're going to be really grateful for that line when you paint this project. Trust me. Okay, indent A. So the question here is, how thick? How thick is a double thick line? Okay, so what I want you to do, draw me a little equal sign right here, and I want you to write the word circle. So, look at the circle on your drawing, and that is about how thick your double thick line should be. Okay, finally, number 7, getting near the end. Okay, now it is a grid drawing, and I want the grid erased. Okay, I like to do that after I ink my project. Okay, I have a word of warning though. Don't erase on top of this pen for at least 2 hours after you ink. Okay? So, because if you do, this pen, you can ruin some of the lines. You got to be really careful with it. Don't erase on top of it for 2 hours. Okay, finally, let's see, where am I now? Let's see, number 8. Okay, here's another little problem. I want you to write no white out. Okay, the reason for that, the watercolors don't work on top of whiteout. So you gotta be really careful with that pen. Alright, number 9, last note. Okay, my favorite note to give. Inking is fun, exclamation point, sometimes even a little bit stressful. Okay, very good.